Unbox Play Review.
Hey, what's happening guys? Ash here from Tech Emporium. Hope everyone is well and safe. In this video we're going to be talking about this amazing sharp 8 kilogram condenser tumble dryer, so stick around. Hey, welcome to our channel guys. On here we unbox, play, review and talk about anything in relation to technology, big and small, from smartphones and gear to appliances. So if that's what you're into guys, please hit the subscribe and bell buttons to get more content, and hit the like button also if you like what we do. In the UK there are essentially four main types of electric tumble dryers. There's the vented dryer, the heat pump dryer, the washer dryer and then the condenser dryer. Today we're going to be talking about a condenser dryer. These dryers work by condensing the excess moisture into water, which is then collected into a tank which you need to empty regularly. Now do watch till the end guys, we have our review for you to help you make a better buying decision. The exact model number for this dryer is KD-GCB8S7GW9-EN. This costs about £259. However, prices do vary time to time. There will be a link below if you want to check it out guys, and keep an eye out for a discount on the seller's website. Out of the package it stands 84.5 centimeters tall, the width is 59.6 centimeters with a depth of 60.9 centimeters. It also weighs 36.5 kilograms. It has easy to use functions and an LED display. Inside you will find the manual and a draining hose. However, you would need to get a draining kit if you want to connect it to the water drain. Inside the door there's a lint filter which has to be cleaned after every cycle. At the bottom behind the flap there's the condenser which has to be cleaned after every 30 washes or once a month. At the top you got the water tank which should be emptied after every cycle as well. This condenser tumble dryer has a 8 kilogram drum capacity, so there's enough room inside for a medium-sized family. It has clever sensors that detect how saturated your laundry is and will automatically stop when your clothes are ready. It works by collecting the moisture from your clothes into the tank, which can then be easily removed and emptied. This means you can place your dryer anywhere you like because it won't need any venting. It is ideal for spaces without external access, so you can position it wherever works best in your home. It has a drum light that turns on as soon as you open the door, which is great if your dryer is in a dark place like a garage or a utility room, and it also looks really cool when lit. The wide opening doors means loading and unloading is made easier, especially for those bulkier items. It has an anti-crease program that continually rotates the laundry inside the drum once the program has finished. Now this prevents clothes from forming deep creases, which then makes ironing a lot easier. The noise level based on EU standard control test is 65 decibels, however noise levels will vary home to home. You can dry your clothes faster with the quick dry programs. The Shirt 12 program will dry 2 to 3 shirts or tops in only 12 minutes. The Jet Dry 29 program will dry up to 2 kilograms of cotton clothes ready to wear in only 29 minutes. Now these programs are great if you need your favorite top in a hurry. There's also a delay timer which enables you to delay the operation of a program for a set amount of time from 1 to 23 hours. With the reverse drum action, the dryer can rotate both ways, so your clothes are loosened at the cycle, meaning less creases, so therefore less ironing. clever sensors inside the drum measure the moisture in your clothes and can adjust the drying cycle accordingly, and will stop when it's done. This will save you money on electricity in the long run. Its energy rating is B, and it also comes with 2 years manufacturer's warranty. The tumble dryer will sound an alarm to let you know when the cycle has finished once the program is over, and the warning LEDs will turn on for the water tank level, filter cleaning and the condenser cleaning. Don't forget to clean your filter and empty your water tank after every use. For our final thoughts, this dryer is amazing. It's very well made and has a range of intelligent features, and it's very easy to use. The 8kg drum makes it perfect for a medium-sized household. It doesn't need any installation, just plug in and go. We have used this for a few weeks now and we absolutely love it. It makes drying clothes so much easier and it leaves the clothes feeling amazing. My favorite feature is the rotating drum action, which leaves the clothes with minimal creases so there's less ironing. Now this actually works and it will save you so much time when it comes to ironing your clothes. Another cool feature is the sensor drying, where clever sensors detect how saturated your laundry is and adjust the settings to give it the most efficient dry possible. And with the internal light, there's no more looking for lost clothes in the dark. It's definitely a very good value for money. So there you have it guys, the Sharp 8kg condenser tumble dryer. The link for this will be below if you want to check it out, and also please do your own due diligence before buying. Thanks for watching guys. If you like what we do, please press that like button and also the subscribe and bell buttons for more content. Until next time, stay well, stay safe, peace.
Unbox Play Review.